Welcome to 20 Maud Street, Mirani. It is an old home at 80 years in its original condition. A sleep out at the front. Bedroom 1 with its original carpet. Second bedroom down the hall. They are large size rooms. The hall goes into another area where you have a combined shower, small bath built into the shower, and there is a toilet behind this little door here, which is directly opposite your kitchen area. The area at the back could be made into a walk-in pantry here, and it is open plan into a combined living and dining room area. This home rents for $250 a week. You could knock it down and start again. It is a very large block. Outside there is a 5-bay carport and plenty of room to rebuild. Behind the fence you have all this additional area, plus from the fence line right through to the street. To inspect this property, please give Cassie a call on 0468 727 984. Sell by lease.